Ror. No.
I have to go, Mother.
Take care of yourself, my son.
I will. Don't worry.
I will, Mother. No. Ror. No. Ro. No! Get off! Leave me alone! I wouldn't move if I were you. Just go! Go now! He's looking right at me. Keep your eyes open. Slow. 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 Look around. Safe. Watch out. Steady. Keep running! Keep running! Rua! No! Please, no! Keep running! Don't stop! Help! Is that a hut? Help! Please! No. What happened?
Get water. He's not moving.
Help! A tiger is chasing me! Look! It's right outside! Did he say tiger? It's real. Prepare yourselves. Get back! No, we will fight it! Drive it away! Roar! Back, beast, back! Keep back! We have to defend! Watch out, it's turning! Now! Don't let it in! Back away, beast. Don't test us. We are ready. It's leaving. Stay vigilant. It's not safe yet. Here, drink this. Thank you.
Let me help clean this.
We will keep you safe here. You are safe now, my son. I thank you, Elder, and all of you. Join us. It is time to depart. Keep your eyes open. Careful where you step.
Nothing yet.
At last. It's beautiful. We made it. Watch out, I'm coming for you! No! Got you! Don't forget me.
Never.
Hello? Is anyone there? Show yourself. No! Get away! Stay back! Please! Help! Help! No! No! Leave me alone! You're mine! No! Please! Stay back! Keep running! Don't look back! Just a little further. There. Something's there. I saw it. Run! Over here. A cave? The path is older here. There are markings. And a steady echo. Incredible, I can't believe I found this. Look at this craftsmanship. And this one feels sharper, heavier. Woo! I found it. But I have to leave. I've got it! It's secure! I need to move. What was that?
I'm home.
My son! You're back! Look what I found, Mother.
Oh, it's beautiful. So intricate.
And there's more! Oh, my heavens! It's gold!
success. A fine specimen. Keep your distance, beast! Grrr. I will cut you down! The beast is still. It is done. At last, the hunt is over, and the bounty is mine.
Oh, my son!
We haven't seen you in so long!
And such a beast! I told you I'd bring home a prize.
This turned out perfectly.
Oh, it's delicious, son. Thank you.
So good, let's eat more.